Heavy thunderstorms persisting over North and West Trinidad have resulted in localized flooding events in western areas. According to the Ministry of Rural Development and Local Government, flooding has been reported in Petit Valley, near St Lucien Road, the western main road near Shorelands, Cocorite, Diamond Vale, Sieva in Maraval, and Morne, Coco Road.
Look at the maps. What's the maps? What's my shoe? Oh, they're not hot right with our shoe.
Carenage, Basin, Gittens Avenue in Maraval, and Saddle Road in Santa Cruz were also affected. It's also been reported that the Diego Martin River has overtopped its banks on certain parts of the Diego Martin Highway.
The small Massey on the Maraval Road. Flood, real bad. Don't come Maraval.
One stick.
Working on it.
Motorists are reminded to avoid driving into flooded areas as this could result in vehicles being swept away. Citizens are also advised to stay clear of floodwaters as waterborne diseases and dangerous objects could be obscured in dirty water.
Is at full capacity, breaking its bank. Wow.
The Diego Martin Borough Corporation is currently distributing sandbags to residents who need them at their office on 2-3 Orchid Drive, Petit Valley.
The West Bog Lane, or the North Bog Lane, as well call it.